Shenzhen Zhizong Zihai Technology Company Limited, located in Shenzhen. We are a globally professional developer, seller, and service provider of automotive paintless dent repair, PDR tools, and automotive glass repair equipment. As a reputable and robust company, we have established international quality management system. We hold more than 100 trademarks, patents, copyrights, and other intellectual property rights for PDR tools and windshield repair equipment, instilling immense confidence in our global clientele, committed to attentive customer service and stringent quality control and management systems. Our products are exported to over 200 countries, including the United States, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Poland, Japan, Dubai, Russia, and South Africa. We have more than 1,500 business partners, satisfying diverse customer requirements with optimal costs and outstanding performance, earning accolades from our clients, with an outstanding monthly supplyability capacity exceeding 1 million units. We are readily available to provide OEM and ODM services to our customers, delivering advanced quality and competitive prices, driven by the philosophy of survival by strength, development by innovation. Our leading brands, Super PDR and PDR, have become among the foremost companies in the automotive repair industry. We warmly welcome global customers come to establish cooperation, striving to create the concept of technology, innovation, and trends, contributing to the bright future of the global automotive paintless dent repair industry and accelerating the development of the entire automotive industry chain.